message.
Welcome to Lynn's Bin on 93 XRT. This week, when I answer your question, you receive a $50 gift certificate towards food and beverage at City Winery Chicago. David Faircloth of Chicago wrote, Lynn, moist, juicy, or dipped? Yes, folks, I will answer anything. Moist, juicy, or dipped? These are distinctions we consider in many ways. Moist is a strange word. People resist moist. For some, it just means damp or soggy. But moist is the first hint. Moist can be the merest suggestion of the oncoming flood. Moist is the fetid air of the dinosaurs munching on ferns.
I happen to be very biteable, pal. I'm moist and delicious.
Moist is the morning dew on the tall grass in a meadow. Moist is the upper lip after concentrated exertion.
Well, if I do change my mind, you'll know because my breasts will be heaving and moist with perspiration.
One misty morning when cloudy was the weather, I met with an old man clothed all in leather.
Juicy is when moist becomes a mess.
Now your mess is mine.
Juicy needs a napkin. Juicy is the muddled orange in bourbon and bitters. Juicy is caution thrown to the wind. Juicy is the fluidity of a song chorus.
She's gonna suck it now. When she turn it loose, she's got my electric house rocking now. All the dirty juice.
Juicy is the antidote to the barren and arid. Juicy is the ripe fruit freshly plucked.
I was a stand-up tomato, a juicy, sexy beefsteak tomato.
Juicy is the fall in the Garden of Eden. Juicy is extraction to distraction.
The way you squeeze my lemon out, I'm gonna fall right out of bed.
Moist, juicy, or dipped? From the drip to the dip. Dipped is the wetting of the beak.
Honestly, trying to get me excited about fondue.
It's dipping stuff in hot cheese. What's not to love?
Okay, that does sound good.
Dipped is the full immersion. Dipped is the pleasure of the dipping.
Would you like to take a dip in the cement pond?
Give me that too. Give me that too. Give me that too.
Dipped is the achievement and the accomplishment.
I happen to love dipping things into other things.
Dipped is the surrender and the celebration.
Once a woman has dipped her toe into Crane Lake, dry land is never the same again.
Dipped is more than the taste. Dipped is the full meal with garnishes.
I will spread your pâté. I will dip my leg dans l'oignon.
Dipped is the indulgence that begs another.
Did you just double dip that chip? You double dipped the chip. Double dipped? What are you talking about? You dipped the chip. You took a bite. And you dipped again.
Dipped is the devil on the dance floor.
Her name was Eartha, was a name I can never forget. Just like the way she dipped on the broad south floor.
Dipped is where the memories wash over you like lake water in the spring. Dipped is the exhilaration before you realize you can breathe again. Dipped is the baptism of the imagination.
Find have reserved seats somewhere along one of the face lines. Set more children and cheer their heroes. And they'll watch the games. And it'll be as if they've dipped themselves in magic waters.
Moist, juicy, or dipped? Well, since we're talking about an Italian beef, dipped is the true path to satisfaction.
It was a pretty hot show tonight. The rhythmic give and take of our improvised banter there at the end really got my freak juice flowing.
This is Lynn's Bin on 93 XRT.